The SoSoValue ecosystem airdrops are about to happen. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys basically how to position yourself optimally for the upcoming airdrops. And of course, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inopo Kedere and welcome to another Web3 and cryptocurrency video. So of course, shortly, I'm going to show you guys everything about the SoSoValue ecosystem. It is huge and loads of airdrops and rewards will be coming very soon. And recently, I think that was late last year, they just updated and they voted a 150 million SOSO out from the foundation for all of this new projects out there. So it's something we need to look out, and I'm going to be sharing to you guys on my screen right now. So of course, as you guys can see on my screen, this is just one simple part of SoSoValue, and that is the XP points. We call them the EXP points, and we're currently in the season 2. The airdrop has been postponed. It was meant to be very early in quarter 1, so let's say January, but I think that one has been postponed. So we have so much time to still grind this and to position even much more optimally. I think we're going to see this is it over here. This is the update. It says that about transparency, and they're trying to protect the interest of the true community. So they're doing the value defense initiative. So most likely the proof of person owned. Now, many people always use Sibyl accounts to farm these airdrops. Many fakes account, and just all of the rewards will be going to just one person, because of course the person is farming with many different accounts. So they are taking their time now to strategize and to find a way to be able to eliminate civil and remove fraudulent users, or people with too many accounts. That is why the airdrop that was supposed to happen in quarter 1 of 2026 is now being postponed to happen in May. You have 3 more months to grind the SoSoValue EXP points to be eligible for something from this part of the ecosystem. So this is just one part, and there's still a whole lot more. Now, as you guys can see on my screen, one second, I'm just going to click over EXP here, and you can see I'm currently on V4, which is not even difficult to attain. All you need to do is complete all of these tasks daily and you keep ranking up. I already made a video dedicated to this whole SoSoValue EXP. This is not the most important thing we're talking about today. There's still a whole lot more. Now, we're going to go all over to Sodex, which is I think this is what I actually want to talk about. So let's just get it out of the way before we talk about the other things. Now, Sodex is the latest thing out there, on SoSoValue ecosystem. So we're just going to call it the Sodex, which is a decentralized trading platform from SoSoValue itself. It's brilliant. It's now on the mainnet, and we apparently had the testnet, the Sodex testnet, as you guys can see up here, and I think this is closed already. It's done, right? So it says, for example, Sodex Testnet Airdrop is coming. Thank you for being an essential part. Your early support has been invaluable, blah blah blah. Claim your rewards. Snapshot is happening by February 10th. Claim starts February 13th. So there's about 2 weeks left. Let's say, a week and a half left before the Sodex Testnet airdrop will happen. All right. So now it says boost your testnet rewards through mainnet activity. So this is the Sodex testnet. I think I also made a video about this. If you checked, I made a video about lots of SoSoValue products over the past few months. And then, so now, what does this mean? Even if you did not participate in the Sodex and you don't have any points, what you need to do now is just participate on the mainnet. The mainnet is, of course, using your real cash to trade spots or to trade futures. All right. So, of course, trading futures earns you so much volume in a very short period of time. All right. So, trading futures is much more risky, of course, but it would earn you so much volume to make you, very eligible fast, and to also boost up your Sodex your Sodex, this one, this 1 second, not that. This where is it? Where is it? Yeah. So the Sodex airdrop that is going to happen very soon on February 13th. So if you want to do that really, really fast, I think you need to push all your efforts into trading on the Sodex Mainnet if you want to be eligible for this one that is going to happen on February 13th. Now, they said eligibility, top tier testnet contributors and active users. So let's see if you will be eligible, but of course, try to boost use mainnet activity so that you can be eligible, of course. Now, the thing is, the basic thing is now they're trying to put more people onto the mainnet, so they're going to take that mainnet even more seriously. They're trying to push loads of people into that mainnet. Now, I think even I did not do so much at some point. I stopped using the DEX when the market, crashed really bad in October, November. I just stopped trading. Even trading virtually was a problem at some point. So I just stopped trading totally, both on the testnet, both IRL. I just stopped trading totally. I was out of cryptocurrency totally. I mean, trading cryptocurrency, but I was still very, very much active in Web3. So I think now you can just do a couple of trades. I mean, if you've got maybe some spare USDC out there, you can, get some money onto your Sodex mainnet account, and then you start trading and accumulating volume. All right, there are many ways to do this. You can look for the futures and look for the high leverage ones. For example, BTC USDT 25. And so let's say we click on BTC USDC, and this is the market currently. Let's see, it's loading very slowly, but you guys can see I've got available to trade 19.8 USDC, and as soon as I scroll this bar up to, let's say, 50%, you guys can see 201 is the volume I'm trading at. Okay, so it's a no-brainer at all. Like, using little money to trade lots of volume, you can set the trade with a couple of minutes, and just keep accumulating volume. And you could also lose your money. It's very risky, but if you can do it really quick, really, really, really smart, and everything, you can accumulate loads of volume in a very short period of time. And if you're someone that already enjoys trading or knows how to trade really well, man, be my guest. Just trade honestly, accumulate volume and make your wins or make your losses. As you can see, I'm currently making a loss on Dodge here. I'm shorting Dodge seriously. I think I made a couple already on some shorts yesterday. So yeah, but that's just the game. It's a DEX. And now the big thing that has just happened currently is that there is now a huge reward system for the DEX trading, and of course for the Sodex, and it's called the SoPoints. This was just announced today, and it says 150 million SOSO from the SOSO ecosystem fund, which is around $75 million, given now the current rate of SOSO value out there in the market. So insane, insane. Now, to expatiate further, you guys are going to see the SIP2 proposal. This was the proposal that they used to remove some tokenomics from the foundation. Whatever is it? Where is it? Yeah, to unlock. They unlocked two portions of social tokens to support the upcoming launch of the value chain Mainnet and the Sodex decentralized exchange. Now, unlocking 5% token of the token supply out of the 17 allocated to foundation to support the initial staking of value chain, and 10% of the token supply allocated from the ecosystem fund to serve as a dedicated ecosystem incentives for Sodex and value chain. So 11 million voted for, 182,000 people voted against. So of course, this is the DAO. Of course, you know that's why the 4 won. So that is basically, there's loads of money going out here. Of course, to start trading on all these platforms, I'm going to put the links in the comment section so you can just keep trading. Trading is open. You don't even need any links currently, but if you want to use my links, please be my guest. Go ahead and use my link. And of course, the rewards for the closed alpha has been released already. I managed to earn only 13 points. I did not trade anything at all. I just started trading from I think a couple of days back. So that was why I got a couple of volume here, but I just started trading actively, and I'm going to be trading very actively from now till at least February 13th, so that I could also boost my Sodex points as well. And, so that I could also be eligible for the first week of the Sodex Mainnet SoPoints reward. So that is also something very, very important about the SoPoints. And then the next thing I also wanted to share with you guys is, of course, we already talked about this one, the EXP is the SoSoValue indexes. I already made a video about this. It is still live. This one, all you're doing is you're buying some SoSoValue index tokens, and you are just staking it and earning rewards upon rewards. So this is also really beautiful. Already made a video about this as well. Just check it on the channel. You're going to see it there. And what else? The latest thing that has been added to the platform is obviously the Sodex Vault. It's one other thing that has been added. And if you, apparently, provide liquidity into the Sodex Vault, you are at the end of the day going to earn so much more points. When we talk about 1 second, when we talk about here in the SoPoint, 1 second, I think it's somewhere. Yeah, Vault Holdings, very good. So all right. So if you provide liquidity for the Sodex liquidity provider program over here, you're going to be earning, first of all, yearly return, first of all. And then if you come over here to the Sodex trading, you're going to also be earning loads of points over here, my Vault Holdings. It will also accumulate and project to the points, to the soul points you're going to be earning. So the ecosystem is live and functioning. There's a lot of things that I cannot explain in depth, but I just wanted to bring this to your attention so that you take action right away. It's very short. If you have any questions, put it right away in the comment sections. I'll be waiting to, answer you. And if you've not even started trading at all, the links to all of this different, most especially the Sodex, which is something you have to, look into right away, is start it up, start trading, start earning and accumulating some volume if you're somebody that trades already. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a wonderful week. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.